How to remove and replace an old kitchen faucet. This is a relatively easy remodel project that you can do by yourself and save a lot of money. Plumbers would usually charge between $300 and $500 for this job. The kit I am going to be using cost me only $52. It's a pretty nice, modern-looking pull-out kitchen faucet in brushed nickel finish, and it had everything needed to complete this project already included in the box. If you are interested, I will link it down in the description area below. To remove your old kitchen faucet, first turn off both cold and hot water supply valves under the sink. Open the faucet and verify that the water is not flowing anymore. Use adjustable wrench to loosen the nuts and remove the old water supply lines. The faucet kit comes with a set of brand new hoses. Next, loosen the faucet retaining nut. It's this nut right here. I just couldn't record and loosen it at the same time. After that, you will be able to remove the bracket and take out the old faucet. Install the optional base plate if you'd like, or if you need to cover the old holes. Feed all of the hoses into the center hole. On the other side, inside the sink cabinet, you'll need to install the rubber gasket, metal washer, and hand tighten the retaining nut. Next, attach the hot and cold water supply hoses. These have rubber gaskets inside the fittings, and there is no need for using a Teflon tape. If necessary, use included hose adapters. Find the sticker on the black hose. This is where you should install the weight for the pull-out sprayer. Make sure it moves freely and doesn't catch onto anything inside the cabinet. Open the water supply valves and check the faucet for any leaks. Flush the water for a few minutes before using it. I hope this video was helpful and I inspired you to do this on your own. Be sure to check out my other videos on how to install matching soap dispenser and RO filter faucet as well. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.